Hello everyone. So in this video, let's look at the different foods that are beneficial for treating insomnia or inducing good night's sleep. As we already discussed in the previous videos, one must avoid a food that are very high on glycemic index, which are nothing but carbohydrate rich food or starchy food and simple sugars. This has to be avoided at night, because we know that both high and low levels of glucose can interact with your sleep cycle. The high sugar can actually cause increased insulin levels and cortisol levels, and low sugar will actually just make you wake up in the middle of the night. Okay, so it is important to balance the sugar intake, especially during dinner time. Second is foods that are very high in tryptophan. Tryptophan is nothing but it is an amino acid. And there are certain foods which are very high on tryptophan, and these are basically you have tofu, then certain fishes like tuna, then we have eggs, nuts, then various seeds and milk, and chicken as well. So all these foods contain high level of tryptophan, which are basically precursor for serotonin and melatonin. Melatonin is nothing but it is a sleep hormone. So high tryptophan food actually just causes increased level of secretion of serotonin and melatonin, which can also ensure that you get a good night's sleep. So this is very important. Then thirdly is foods that are very high on B vitamins, because B vitamins are very much essential for conversion of various amino acid into neurotransmitters and hormones. So foods that are very high in B vitamins, such as like you have all the non-vegetarian sources like chicken, egg, and also you have turkey, some fishes, soybeans, then other pulses, all these oats, banana, milk, wheat germ, all these things are very high on B vitamins. Okay, so this needs to be consumed so that you help in the conversion of the various amino acids into these neurotransmitters which are meant for sleep. Okay, so the fourth one is magnesium and calcium rich food. Calcium is already available from milk and milk products, and also from the non-vegetarian sources. Magnesium are also plenty available from all the green leafy vegetables that you consume, or nuts and oil seeds has magnesium in it. So magnesium is basically a calming mineral, and calcium is also very good for relaxing the muscles and also getting a good night's sleep. So these two minerals have to be balanced. So always stick to foods that are very high on magnesium and calcium. Okay, finally we also have to replace our tea and coffee, the regular tea and coffee, into some form of calming teas. Either it could be chamomile tea, or it could be like rose tulsi tea, or this kind of food stuff. Right? And besides all these things, you also need to ensure that your hydration is extremely important for you to give you a good night's sleep. So these are some of the food stuff like you need to be practicing for getting or improving your sleep quality. Thank you for watching.